Once logged in, navigate to the Curriculum section. Discover a full range of filterable and searchable grade-level curricula for grades K through 6, plus enrichment programs and digital skills courses. Let's dive into the Kindergarten Curriculum page. The Kindergarten Curriculum page highlights key milestones and developmental focus, followed by learning units. Exploring a unit provides the unit overview with leading objectives, assessments, and standards. Just below that, the weekly overview shows how lessons are structured. Each weekly page includes weekly focus, week at a glance, teacher tips, learning objectives, key vocabulary, materials needed, and daily plans. The teaching tips offer strategies for effective delivery. The resource library provides activity guides, templates, and materials to enhance instruction. Within each unit, the weekly activities list all planned lessons. Click View Full Instructions and boom! You'll get learning objectives, materials, preparation steps, instructions, assessments, and extension activities. Each unit also downloads as a PDF for offline use, giving you a strong foundation for curriculum content. Now let's take a look at another level. For higher grades, curricula are organized into content strands. These strands contain essential learning outcomes and specific curriculum outcomes. And here's what makes this platform special. Inclusive assessment strategies provide varied evaluation methods. Inclusive learning strategies ensure accessibility for every student. Additional sections include supplementary resources and useful content knowledge for teachers to strengthen your subject expertise. Want even more? Head to the Resources section. Access comprehensive tools to plan effectively, deliver engaging lessons, and meet learning objectives across all grade levels. This is your complete teaching toolkit.